we keep our unity? Question of the day. How can we contribute to the unity of the congregation? You can leave your answers in the comments. John 10:16 mentions,
And they will listen to my voice, and they will become one flock, one shepherd.
We treasure the privilege of serving Jehovah unitedly as one flock under one shepherd. John 10:16. The book Organized to Do Jehovah's Will, page 165 states, benefiting from that unity, you have the responsibility to help maintain it. Thus, we need to train ourselves to see our brothers and sisters as Jehovah sees them. To Jehovah, we are all precious little ones. Is that how you view your brothers and sisters? Jehovah notices and values everything you do to help them and care for them. We love our fellow worshipers, so we are determined not to put a stumbling block or an obstacle before a brother. Romans 14:13. We consider our brothers and sisters to be superior to us, and we want to forgive them from our heart. May we not allow ourselves to be stumbled by others. Rather, let us choose to pursue the things making for peace and the things that build one another up. Romans 14:19.